Bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it has been quite a while since you all have seen me, but there's a lot that has been going on. As you all know, we are now in a pandemic, and I hope every one of you is staying safe. Listen, be careful when you go out. Try not to go out so much. When you do, make sure you wear your mask, okay? I want you all to remain safe and at all times, because it's crazy. All right, so the product that I have here that I'm going to be using today to remove all of this makeup, y'all, I was trying something different, and so that's why you see this rainbow look here. But yeah, I'm going to be using these guys right here, and this is the Face Halo, the modern day makeup removers. I picked up the Pro Black set. They do come in 3 different colors. They come in white, black, and red, but I picked up the black set just because I thought it would be probably a little bit better when my makeup is getting on there really badly. But basically, if you haven't heard of these, I'm sure you guys probably have. I'm new to the game. I had never heard of these, so I was like, what are these? Let's try these out. So basically, these are pretty much a sponge to remove your makeup. It says that all you have to do is add water and just remove your makeup. You're supposed to be able to wash these and pretty much reuse them up to 200 times. I don't know. All right, that's what the claims are. Okay, that's what the company says. I have not used them yet. I just have had them sitting here for quite some time. I've been ordered these, y'all. They retail for $22.99, I believe. I'll leave it down below or flash it across the screen so you guys can see it. But it's 3 to a pack. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because I haven't even opened them yet. But I've heard some really great things about these. People rave about them, so I just wanted to go ahead and give it a try. It's supposed to be an alternative to using makeup wipes without using any harsh chemicals to your face and adding anything extra to your skin. It simply just says to wet these, and it's supposed to remove your makeup. So here is how it looks here. On the front of it just says Face Halo, and again it comes in 3, so it comes with 3 of these little sponges here. This feels really soft. I'm excited, y'all. My hands are ashy because, you know, in this quarantine we got to wash our hands a lot, okay? Your girl washed her hands and I forgot to put on lotion. All right, that's the real tea, okay? But here is the Face Halo here. It's really soft. This is how it looks. Very soft, and you're just supposed to wet this to remove your makeup. So let's just get right into it, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all long. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my lashes, and I do not have a mirror in front of me, so I'm using my viewfinder. All right, if you see me looking over here, it's because that's what I'm looking at, because I forgot to put my mirror, grab my mirror. But I'm here now, so let's just get right into it. I'm taking these lashes off. I'm gonna set these right there. All right, so I have some water on the side of me. I'm just going to dip this in some water real quick, because it says all you need is water to remove makeup. Now, you guys know I wear full coverage, right? And I have a lot of stuff on my face right now, so I'm interested to see how this gonna work out with just using water. And it's supposed to be just a cruelty-free option to use, you know. It's not tested on animals, supposed per the website, so it's just supposed to be something to really help you remove your makeup in a more environment-friendly way. All right, so here it is. It is now wet. I just put some water, drenched it in water, and we're gonna see, y'all. Now I'm looking over here. Y'all let me know what y'all see going on. All right, so it says you're not supposed to, you shouldn't have to tug at your skin. It says all you simply need to do is just wipe, and the makeup should be coming off. So let's see. And you're supposed to be able to remove everything with this. I really probably need my mirror. I think I need my mirror. Let me go get my mirror. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I went and grabbed my mirror so that I can see how the makeup is being removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and start removing my makeup. Okay. It does look like it's taking the makeup off a little bit. I don't know about not being able to tug my skin. And as you can see the makeup coming off. So it is definitely taking off the makeup. Let's see about this eye look, okay? Because there's a lot going on with this eye look, girl. Let's see. So I saw someone said they pretty much like let theirs sit on and then wipe it. So I feel like I still have to tug at my skin to get it off. But it is coming off. But I do feel like a makeup wipe might have been faster. I'm gonna dip it in water again just because it may be me, but I definitely feel like a makeup wipe might have gotten this eyeshadow off a little bit faster for me. But we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. It does feel kind of good though on the skin. It feels really, really soft, which I do like. I like the feeling of it because it feels so soft on the skin. It almost feels like you wiping your face with a rag, like, but a little bit soft. This is it. So I took the makeup off. And I don't think anything is on my face. Usually there is a residue when I take makeup off, but I don't see anything. I don't see anything on my hand, and I didn't grab a paper towel, but usually you can see like residue when I take my makeup off, and I don't see anything. Hopefully it's picking up. I don't see anything. So here is how the face halo looks when I removed everything. You see it's kind of icky, so that's why I was saying it's going to be very important to wash these quite often. I probably will try to wash it after every usage, just because I don't want that makeup to sit in there and build in there. So that's the only thing. Because this reminds me of a really, really soft rag, like body rag, I feel like I definitely will need to, you know, wash this. I think for sanitary purposes, you don't want anything to build up in there and cause bacteria, because that's the one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to put that icky stuff on your face. So I mean, for the most part, I felt like it did a really good job. It is very soft, y'all. It actually makes me want to just lay down and go to sleep. It's very soft. It feels so relaxing on the skin. I probably would just use this to wash my face just in general, besides just removing makeup, because I like how this feels. But again, these retail for I think it's $22.99. Again, I'll put the price down below for you guys to see. But as you can see, it took everything off. I did have to tug at my eyes a little bit, and I'm still gonna have to go in and wash my face, but I would have to do that regardless. So I mean, I give it a thumbs up. I thought it was a neat deal, especially if you're trying to just be cruelty free, stay away from putting toxins on your face, or if you have sensitive skin. This may be really good if you have sensitive skin, because all you're doing is adding water to this to remove your makeup, which I think is cool. Excuse me, y'all. I think that's pretty cool. I wanted to show y'all the water, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it to y'all how I want to show it to y'all. Let me see. I had to remove that. Let me see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show it to y'all, but I wanted you guys to see without wasting it. I wanted you guys to see that the water was still pretty clear. Like, it wasn't bad at all. I mean, you can see makeup, you know, the color of it turning, but it was pretty clear, as more than what I would expect. So I feel like that makes me feel like that makeup sticks into that product. And I think that you definitely want to wash that. That's something that you're going to want to wash on a regular basis, because you don't want to go behind and keep wiping your face, and that creates bacteria that makes you break out, and it's just not good for the skin at all. So that's something that will probably be a con when using that, is that you will definitely have to wash that. It's just not like, you know, using a makeup wipe and then throwing it away. No, you need to wash that out, because makeup builds up and you don't want that stuff on your skin causing you to break out. And because me, I'm one of those people that have sensitive skin, I have to know to wash it, and I'm lazy, so I'm glad 3 coming now, because I can tell you right now, sometimes I might not wash it every day. I might not, but I'm gonna try. But anyway, guys, that is it for me. Listen, if you like this video, make sure you comment down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that red button, and become part of the Bestie clan. Also, come on and socialize with me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia as well. So all of those are Trina Felicia. Come on and socialize with me, become part of the Bestie clan. Make sure you guys, again, give this video a thumbs up. Look down below, there is a little bell there. You just want to turn on that bell so that you can receive notifications anytime I upload videos. Guys, I will be uploading videos because, like I said, I have quite a bit of things that I've been purchasing that I really want to show you guys. And then I'm also going to do some tutorials. Listen, we all at the house, okay? We all at the house. We ain't got nothing to do, so I'm going to be filming and uploading some videos for you guys. Listen, please stay safe. I love you all, and I will see you guys